Hi you guys, Jaleesa here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this really cute slick back style using products from Uncle Funky's Daughter. Prior to me doing this style, I did go ahead and clean my hair using the Uncle Funky's Daughter by Build Up cleansing conditioner to clean my hair and get rid of some buildup. And then I followed up with the Heal and Renew deep conditioner. My hair is feeling really soft right now, but I went through and twisted my hair to detangle it, and then I'm going to go in with my other two favorite stylists to prep my hair for this slick back style. Alright guys, so the first product that I'm going to be using is the Uncle Funky's Daughter Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream. This is one of my favorite stylers from the line. I put this on my hair to moisturize it and prep it before I apply my Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. And here is my number one favorite product from this line. I use it for twist outs, I use it for wash and goes, and today I'm using it for this slick back style. This is just going to give my hair a little bit of hold, help it with detangling once I get ready to smooth my hair back for that little ponytail. So I am going through the rest of my hair, undoing my twist. My hair is pretty much detangled, but I'm just working in that Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream and that Curly Magic Curl Stimulator, just so I can make sure it is fully moisturized with product. And as you can see, there is some white residue on my hair, but once we get to the end of this video, you guys will not see any of that. That always happens whenever I get ready to do a wash and go or twist out, because I am layering two products, the Super Curl and then the Curly Magic. But once it dries, you never see that white residue. So I'm just going ahead and using my soft bristle brush to slick back my hair, and I am just grabbing a clamp to clamp my curls down on the side, going ahead and brushing the other side of my hair to get it smooth. And always make sure you have something on hand to go ahead and put your hair in that little ponytail. That way you don't have to let that hair loose. This is a little bit tricky with thick curly hair, but I always find that when my hair is fully detangled and I have my soft bristle brush on hand to smooth my hair down, it's a lot easier to do. So I have my ponytail in, I have a little puff going on right here. This is the Curly Magic. I'm going to take a little bit more and apply it to the top of my hair to lay down any flyaways that I might have. And then use my soft bristle brush to just brush those flyaways down, make sure everything is slick and smooth. Alright guys, so we are not done yet. I am going to grab my satin scarf. I'm not going to do my edges today, y'all. This is just what it's going to be for this slick back style. So my satin scarf, I have been using this scarf for forever. If you've been watching my videos for some time, you probably are like, girl, you need a new satin scarf. So I'm just tying this down so that I can make sure my hair is fully flat, leaving it on there for 20 minutes. Now that 20 minutes has passed, I'm going to go ahead and take this satin scarf off. And as you can see, my hair is super slick. There's no hard crunch going on with my hair. It's just a nice hold. So this is pretty much it for this style, you guys. Super easy. This is a style I like to do when I am in a rush on Sundays or Mondays or during the week when I feel like I need to wash my hair and I don't have time to style it. I just wash my hair, detangle it, do this slick back style, and I'm good to go for the week. If you guys are interested in purchasing any products from Uncle Funky's Daughter, you can find them in select Target stores, or you can find them on UncleFunky'sDaughter.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!